Welcome to Review Rumble. The best bike shift cables and housing is probably one of the most overlooked components on your bicycle, yet they play a crucial role in ensuring smooth and precise gear changes, directly impacting your riding experience whether you're tackling challenging climbs or cruising on flat terrain. Without proper functioning cables and housing, your bike's drivetrain can feel sluggish, unresponsive, and frustrating to operate, leading to missed shifts and a diminished sense of control. Investing in high-quality replacements can dramatically improve your bike's performance and your overall enjoyment on every ride. Number 5. Shimano Road Gear Cable Set. Introducing the Shimano Road Gear Cable Set, designed for optimal performance on your road bike. This set offers a smooth and reliable shifting experience. Engineered for versatility, it works seamlessly with both Shimano and SRAM systems. Enjoy consistent performance regardless of your preferred drivetrain brand. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, these cables feature a PTFE coating for reduced friction. This ensures effortless gear changes and enhanced durability. The set includes 4mm SIS SP41 housing, providing robust protection for your cables. It's built to withstand the demands of regular cycling. Everything you need for a professional installation is included. This set comes complete with end caps and ferrules for a clean and secure finish. What we like. This set offers reliable performance for both Shimano and SRAM systems. Its PTFE coated cables ensure smooth operation. If you're looking for a straightforward, dependable upgrade for your existing road bike, this is a solid choice. What people say. Once I pull on the new Shimano Road Shift cable, I immediately thought of the quote, "You get what you pay for." Duh, sure, we've heard it all before, still our false pride gets in the way and I make mistakes. After all, I'm only human, right? Well, gotta love the cable housing, very easy to cut, and now my shifter works great. I read the specs for the Joplin dropper post and it said it uses a basic shift cable for operation, so that's why I decided to go with this set. It even includes an extra second cable, which is nice if you accidentally botch a job or something happens to the cable along the way. As a side note, there is an engraved Shimano logo on the end of the housing that has a shiny polished steel appearance. I like the Shimano housing and cable better for its quality and how easily the cable moved through the housing. It was also less than half the price of the other. By coincidence, the housing was the perfect length and I didn't need to cut it. It's important to note that though the box says road cables, the ends on the cables are for flat bar shifters such as those on mountain bikes and hybrid bikes. Number 4. Corki Cycles Universal Bicycle Shifter Cable Housing Set, Blue. Experiencing delayed or jumping gears? Is your current cable looking worn out? It's time for an upgrade to ensure smooth and reliable shifting. Choose from a variety of colors to match your bike style. Achieve instant and precise gear changes with our high-quality inner cables. The smooth, responsive performance ensures rapid gear transitions, making every ride more enjoyable. The extra-long cables fit all bike types. With generous lengths for both inner cables and housing, you'll have plenty to work with. The housing's standard diameter ensures compatibility, and the lightweight design won't add unnecessary bulk. Our shifter cable and housing set is designed to work seamlessly with both SRAM and Shimano derailleurs. Enjoy durable, all-weather performance that resists wear, cold, heat, and oxidation. Replacing your old cables is straightforward. Measure and cut the new housing to the correct length, then thread the new cable through. Secure it to your frame and shifter for a perfect setup. Attach the cable to your shifter and derailleur, then tighten it securely. Fine-tune the tension by adjusting the cable tightness until your gears shift perfectly. Finish by securing the cable end to prevent fraying. What we like. Experience instant gear changes with these responsive inner cables. The extra length ensures a fit for almost any bike, and you can even choose a color to match your ride. If you want to add a personal touch and improve shifting feel on your mountain or road bike, this is a great option. What people say. The quality of the housing and inner cables is excellent, flexible but durable, and installation was straightforward even for a DIY job. Great fit brings everything you need to freshen up your shifters. Good stock, no problems. Shift housing was a bit longer than others, which was what I needed. Number 3. Jagwire 2X Pro Universal Gear Shift Kit. Introducing the Jagwire 2X Pro Universal Gear Shift Kit. This kit is designed for road, mountain, and gravel bikes, ensuring broad compatibility. Not only can you customize your bike with this kit, but you'll also experience significantly improved responsiveness and accuracy in your gear shifts. For optimal performance, we've combined slick lube technology with the XEX jacket. This pairing is engineered to reduce friction for smoother operation. Experience the new polished Slick Pro cable. It offers performance comparable to Teflon but is designed for greater durability over time. Enjoy a lighter feel with this kit, as it is 30% lighter than traditional sheaths. It's compatible with both SRAM and Shimano gears, offering 10 color options. What we like. Achieve peak performance with reduced friction and a more durable cable. The housing is also significantly lighter than traditional options. If you're a performance-oriented rider seeking the best possible shifting accuracy and speed, especially for road, gravel, or MTB, this kit is designed for you. What people say. Super slick housing and cable, and lots of high-quality ends and ferrules included. I've used this on several bikes, both continuous and interrupted housing, and they shift like a dream, and keep working that well for years. Great cable kit, lasts forever and keeps my shifts and dropper post running smooth and consistent. Since switching to Jagwire Pro, I change my cable housings and cables far less, and my bike seems to stay in tune far longer. Cables must be pre-stretched because I never have to fine-tune after riding a few hundred kms. Cable housings are highest quality and allow cables to run super smoothly. For the most precise and most crisp shifting, Jagwire is the one. Number 2. Jagwire Mountain Shop SRAM Shimano MTB Cable and Housing Kit. Introducing the Jagwire Mountain Shop Cable and Housing Kit, designed for your SRAM or Shimano MTB. This comprehensive kit ensures smooth shifting performance on every ride. It features 2.0 meters of black LEXSL cable housing. This reinforced housing is L3 slick lube for reduced friction and enhanced durability. Included are 2.3 meters of 1.2 mm galvanized shifter cables, specifically designed for mountain biking. These cables provide reliable and precise gear changes. You'll find all the essential end caps and cable tips included to complete your installation. Everything you need is right here in the box. This kit is ready for immediate installation on your mountain bike. Experience the difference quality components make to your riding. Upgrade your bike with Jagwire's trusted components. Enjoy smoother operation and a more responsive feel on the trails. What we like. This kit is specifically tailored for mountain biking, featuring a lube-lined housing for smooth operation. The galvanized cables offer good durability for off-road conditions. If you're building or maintaining an MTB and need a reliable, no-frills shifter cable set, this is a practical choice. What people say. The kit comes with 2 separate cables, one long plastic housing ends, and metal cable ends. All the parts were well made. The plastic tube housing was much better than what came on the bike, and it is cut to fit for its length. There was plenty for both front and rear derailleurs. The LEXSL L3 housing is incredibly slick and durable, making for super smooth and precise shifts right out of the gate. Paired with the galvanized shifter cables, my bike feels like new again, crisp, responsive, and reliable. It's compatible with both SRAM and Shimano MTB systems, which is a huge plus. Number 1. Farbetter 4mm x 50 feet line bicycle shift cable housing. Introducing the Farbetter 4mm x 50 feet line bicycle shift cable housing. This high-quality kit is designed for optimal performance on your bike. Crafted with the best materials in Taiwan, this product is built to last. You can rely on its durability for all your cycling needs. With a 50-foot roll, you have enough material to outfit up to 5 bicycles. This provides excellent value and convenience. This kit includes an extra 50 shift cable end caps, ensuring you have all the necessary components. It's designed to save you time and hassle. Featuring an inner straight wire structure and a plastic sheath lining, this housing is specifically for your gear shifting system. Please note, it is not suitable for brake cables. Perfectly suited for both SRAM and Shimano mountain and road bike systems. It's recommended for professionals seeking reliable performance. What we like. Get a generous 50-foot roll of high-quality housing, enough for multiple bikes. It comes with plenty of end caps, making it a convenient DIY solution. If you're a bike shop or a home mechanic who works on several bikes and needs a cost-effective, reliable supply of shift cable housing, this bulk option is ideal. What people say. High-quality housing. I installed this on a bike with SRAM 12SP and the shifting is perfect when coupled with a Jagwire slick inner cable. Great quality. Nice to have a bulk roll instead of always ending up with unusable short pieces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.